हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम HPBS फिनटेक एकेडमी के बारे में डिटेल्स में बात करने वाले हैं। तो ज्यादा देना करते हुए हम HPBS एकेडमी के बारे में बात करते हैं। टॉपिक: गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंडिकेटर्स इन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, आइडेंटिफाइंग चार्ट पैटर्न्स विद टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, मैनेजिंग रिस्क विद टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। चार्ल्स डी Kirkpatrick II, CMT. Charles D. Kirkpatrick II, CMT, is president of Kirkpatrick and Company, Inc., a technical analysis research firm that publishes the Market Strategist investment newsletter. A past instructor in finance at the School of Business Administration at Fort Lewis College and adjunct professor of finance at Brandeis University International Business School, he is a two-time winner of the Chartered Market Technicians Association's prestigious Charles H. Doe Award for Research in Technical Analysis, winner of the MTA Annual Award in 2008. हम किस एजेंडा के ऊपर काम करते हैं वह आप स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख सकते हो। अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैटर्न्स एंड देयर लिमिट्स, टेक्निक्स फॉर ट्रेडिंग पैटर्न्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कॉमन चार्ट पैटर्न्स, अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैटर्न्स एंड देयर लिमिट्स, डिफाइनिंग पैटर्न्स। A pattern is bounded by at least two trend lines straight or curved. All patterns have a combination of entry and exit points. Patterns can be continuation patterns or reversal patterns. Patterns are fractal, meaning that they can be seen in any charting period weekly, daily, minute, etc. A pattern is not complete or activated until an actual breakout occurs. The limit of patterns. See patterns where there aren't any. Believe market law, technical and fundamental, without evidence. Look backwards rather than forward. A stick with original price targets of patterns after conditions have changed. Techniques for trading patterns. Breakouts, entry stops, protective stops, retracements, ट्रेंड लाइन, सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस या पिछले उलट बिंदु को बता रहा है। यह बायर और सेल्स के व्यवहार में परिवर्तन को दर्शाता है तथा किसी प्रवृत्ति के आरंभ या अंत का संकेत देता है। टाइप्स ऑफ फिल्टर्स: इंटरबार, मल्टीपल क्लोसेस, टाइम, परसेंटेज और पॉइंट, मनी। टाइप्स ऑफ फिल्टर्स: buy stop orders are used to enter trades once the price breaks out. Falls and failed breakouts. False breakout. Price breaks out but almost immediately returns back through its breakout price. Failed breakout, trap. False breakout occurs and the price then breaks out in the opposite direction. Protects capital. Determines the amount of capital risk before entry. Types of placement. Filters, such as percent, points, or money. Trend line, support or resistance level with filter. Example: enter on breakout. Place protective stop outside breakout bar opposite from breakout direction. Place entry stop at same level, called a stop and reverse order. If price continues in direction of breakout, profit from breakout entry. If breakout is false, profit from stop and reverse. Types: pullback on breakout down, throwback on breakout up, waiting for, don't always occur, performance can suffer when they do. आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं कॉमन चार्ट पैटर्न्स जो कि सिस्टम में कैसे काम करता है। नंबर 1, अपवर्ड सिग्नल्स। नंबर 2, डिसेंडिंग ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, पाइप बॉटम। नंबर 3, डाउनवर्ड सिग्नल्स, फ्लैग, हेड एंड शोल्डर स्टॉप, आइलैंड रिवर्सल। जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ कैंडलस्टिक। ट्रेडिशनली रूप से कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न रिवर्सल पैटर्न होते हैं, जिसका अर्थ है कि उनका उपयोग यह पहचानने के लिए किया जाता है कि कोई प्रवृत्ति कब समाप्त हो रही है। A one-candle pattern formed when the open and close are the same price, and the high and low are roughly equidistant from the open and close. Extremely common, indicates indecision in the marketplace and thus is a possible warning of price change. Harami. A two-candle pattern of a large body of either color followed by a small body of the opposite color. The second body is completely within the body of the large body and is called a spinning top. Although common belief is that the harami is a reversal pattern, many report that it has the potential of breaking either way. Hanging man and hammer, one candle patterns differentiated by the color of the body. Each pattern has a high that coincides with either the opening or closing price. Shooting star and inverted hammer, a one candle inverted hanging man or hammer pattern. Hammers by themselves have white bodies and shooting stars have black bodies. Engulfing, a bottom engulfing pattern, with a short black body followed by a tall white body, is thought to be an upward reversal pattern and actually has very good performance on a downward breakout in a downward trend. Dark cloud cover and piercing line. The dark cloud cover is a two-bar pattern where the second bar closes higher than the first and is black versus white in the first bar. The piercing line is the opposite of the dark cloud cover in that the second bar is white and lower than the first bar, which is black. Pennant flag. Pennant and flag patterns are variations of the same pattern. These patterns are often preceded by a steep, sharp price change, up or down, and form a short consolidation that appears like a triangle or flag. Generally, the pattern slopes slightly in the direction opposite from the trend. Gaps. Definition: no trading gap at specific prices. Gaps can be considered up or down. Gaps are caused by appreciable changes in supply and demand from one close to the following. Pipe bottom. Two bars and occurs at the end of a large trend, up or down trend. Ideally, the first bar, in a bottom pattern, closes at the low, and the second bar closes in the upper half of the range. It is more reliable in weekly data. Bar ranges are larger than preceding bar ranges. Action occurs on breakout through second bar. Narrow range. One low volatility pattern is called a narrow range pattern and consists of a bar with a range narrower than its preceding bars. The graph shows a 4-bar, narrow range pattern, NR4, with 4 bars, the fourth bar having a narrow range than the preceding 3 bars. The breakout occurs on a break above or below the high or low of the narrow range. Horizontal congestion, double top. Two successive peaks separated by an opposite reversal point. Either rounded or pointed peaks that are usually at roughly the same price resistance level. Horizontal congestion, double bottom. Two successive troughs separated by a peak. Either rounded or pointed troughs that are usually at roughly the same price support level. Horizontal congestion, triple top. Three distinct peaks at roughly the same price level separated by two intermittent troughs. Breakout occurs when price exceeds the extreme of the intermittent trough or a trend line connecting those points. Horizontal congestion, double bottom. Three distinct troughs at roughly the same price level separated by two intermittent peaks at any level. Breakout occurs when price exceeds the extreme of the intermittent peaks or a trend line connecting those points. Horizontal congestion, rectangles. Trading range with support and resistance levels bounding price action. Slight tilt, similar to horizontal channel, often has many false breakouts. Triangle, symmetrical, bounded by a downward sloping upper trend line and an upward sloping lower trend line. Each bound is a straight trend line. Prices must touch each bound at least twice. Many false breakouts. Moderately successful in performance. Triangle, ascending. Bounded by a horizontal upper trend line and an upward sloping lower trend line. Each bound is a straight trend line. Prices can break in either direction, but more commonly upward. Triangle, descending. Bounded by two trend lines, the lower is horizontal and the upper slopes downward. Prices can break in either direction but most commonly downward. Triangle, wedge. Bounded by two trend lines, each headed in the same direction. Price must touch a trend line at least 5 times, 3 times on one and 2 times on the other before a breakout. Head and shoulders, top. 3 peaks with center peak higher than the other two. Shoulders should be at approximately the same level and the head higher. Pattern consists of a rounded bottom, not a V bottom, two lips at each end, and a handle similar to a flag pattern from the handle. Pattern is complete with breakout above both lip. अब हम बात करते हैं ट्रेडिंग और उसके पैटर्न के बारे में। HPBS फिनटेक प्राइवेट LTD कंपनी में विजिट करने के लिए धन्यवाद।